Hi, my name is Moira Tran and I'm a top shelf financial model analyst. Today I will be talking to you about the index match function. So just for a quick overview, in this video I will be showing you the basics of an index formula and how to use a function. And in addition, I'll be showing you the match function as well and then how to use them in combination. So how to embed the match function inside of the index function. And then after that, I will be showing you how we use the index match formula inside of our top shelf models. So let me show you an example. Okay, so let's get into our first example here, and let's just say that we want the numbers for Sprite in year 3. And so we can see that this table shows drink sales. We have the number of years, the drinks over here on this side, and I want to return this 1200 number. So how do we do that? We can write an index formula. So equals index. And the first part of the formula is the array. So our array will be all the numbers here. The row number, well, Sprite is in 1, 2, 3. It's in the third row, so we'll put a 3 here. And the column number, so we have 1, 2, 3. The column is 3 for year 3. We'll just push enter, 1200. So that is how to do an index formula. And now I'm going to show you a match formula. And so basically the match function just returns the position. And let's say that we want the position for Gatorade. So I'm going to put equals match, and the first part of the formula is the lookup value, which is Gatorade. And our lookup array will be all of the drinks here. And our match type is 0 because we want it exact. Push enter, position is 4, so we can check it over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Gatorade, boom, checks out. So now I will show you how to embed the match function inside of the index function. So we're going to start with the index function here. And like the first example, we need an array. But instead of just using the numbers, this time we're going to pull the years as well and the drink names. So that's our array. Our row number, we're going to use a match function. And all of the drinks are in the rows. So we're going to be looking at Gatorade. That's a lookup value. The lookup array will be this whole thing here. And the match type is 0 because we want it exact. And so that concludes the match function. We have all the arguments ready for the match function. And now we can go back to the index function and we need the column number. And in order to return the column number, I'm going to use another match function here. So we'll use match. We'll make the lookup value the year, which is 4. The array will be this whole entire top row, which is all the years. And then the match type, we want an exact again. And so that concludes the match function. We have all the arguments in there. And now we can also close the index function because we have the array, we have the row number, we have the column, and that's all we need. So I'm going to select enter, 1750. And so we have year 4 here. And we'll go down to Gatorade, which is right there. And it's 1750. So that checks out. So let's say instead of Gatorade, we want lemonade. And we want it for year 4 still, and so it'll be 14, and the function automatically searches for that just because it's driven off of these two here. And so that is how you use a index match function. So now I will be going back to the top shelf model to show you how we use it in our top shelf templates. Right now I am in the senior living development model, which you can buy from the top shelf model website, and I will just be showing you a quick example of how we use the index match function inside of our models. So if we go to the monthly cash flow tab, I've already highlighted the row that we're going to be looking at here, the non-revenue units, which are just units that are model units basically, or employee units, and they're not receiving any kind of rental income from these. So the non-revenue units are just a small percentage of the scheduled base rental revenue. And you can see there in the formula. So we have this really cool index formula here, and basically it's just using this assumptions tab here. It's using this assumptions box, and we have, all of the years of the project, year 1 through 11. We have all the percentages for each year for different items, but we're just going to be looking at the non-revenue items here. So the index formula takes the array of all of this and it returns the non-revenue percentage for the year. And here you can see if we go to formulas, evaluate formula, we're in year 3 right now, so we'll evaluate this. It's taking, this first part here is the rental revenue, and then we're using the index formula, and it's going to return row 4, column 8, and then this is the array here. So it'll be returning 0.02, which is 2%. We'll close this. Year 3, we'll go back here to assumptions, and for year 3, it is 2%. So it all checks out. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the index match formula. Thank you for listening to my video. You can go ahead and check out the Top Shelf Model website. Use our custom model builder to see if a model will help you with your needs. You can check out our blog. We have new blog posts every week. And so thank you guys for listening.